Hi, I'm Mike Kostowski. We did a 3-point weighing system for the Throckmorton Agronomy Farm.
Jay Coral.
Ben Overmeyer.
So what were you trying to weigh, Mike?
We were told that they were needing to weigh fruit crates, and they hadn't had an efficient system of weighing the fruit crates prior to this system being created.
So does that mean that they harvest the fruit, they have to take it back to scale somewhere?
Correct, using truck scales.
Yeah, very labor intensive.
Right.
All right, so how accurate is this scale? Now that you have it done, built, tested?
It's in, once you're above 500 pounds, it's in with 1 pound accuracy.
Plus or minus 1 pound out of 500.
Yes.
That's excellent. All right, so Jake, I'm looking at the graph here. Explain what your testing showed.
Okay, the blue line is our data from that we collected off the tractor after it had been used some. They used it on the farm. They done hooked or hitched several times. You can see it's not very accurate, and then we recalibrated it. And once you get above 500 pounds, you're within 1/4% of error, which is within plus or minus 1 pound accuracy. It's once you get up here in the weight range that we were told they would be weighing, which was 700 to 1,000 pounds, we're extremely accurate.
So actually, I'm looking at the graph and thinking 1% of 500 pounds is 5 pounds.
Yeah.
Right?
You're actually
and even back here at 100 pounds, 5 pounds is 5%. So essentially, you're always weighing within 5 pounds.
Yes, sir.
So tell me about this process of recalibration. How do you calibrate the scales on this one?
Basically what you do is, you can see by this picture, we picked up a pallet and zeroed it out, and then we added all these weights on there evenly over the pallet, and that was 875.75 pounds by the weights, because you can see on the numbers we wrote each one. And then we would systematically take them on and off and place them in different spots, that way we can test it, and that's how we calibrate it, because there's an equation here in the owner's manual of the shown weight over the known weight, and then you times it by a certain number, and then that's how you can set up the calibration in the actual monitor system itself.
So is the scale robust? And by that I mean, will I weigh the same if I stand here? As if I stand here?
No, it needs to be evenly distributed.
So it does need to be evenly distributed across the
Yes, that's in our instructions for the user.
We made up an entire instruction sheet that shows you how to have it on a level surface and how to set up the entire tractor and the entire system, so that way you'll get the best possible results.
So I see some reddish orange and some black. My understanding, Mike, is that everything black is your project.
Correct.
Everything orange was off the shelf from someone?
Purchased, yes.
Purchased from someone. And so what was the primary challenge that you faced?
The way this quick hitch works is a triangle piece, and the forks that we were given, the frame was all at the bottom. And since this had to be up high, we had to design the frame in order to fit the hitch on here. So that was the main challenge of getting the frame designed.
So it's still relatively a quick hitch. It looks like you can drop the forks off.
It's
Come
just
back,
one pin.
grab a hold of it, get off the seat, and put it on, ready to roll.
Yes.
And what's the upper limit? How much weight could you weigh with this system?
3,000 pounds is what the fork frame is designed for.
So I'm standing here getting weighed. Where's the readout?
100 cubic feet next to the operator station.